Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis AC Lab, and in today's video, I built this, well, not in this video, but I recently built this camera off of the camera from my SEMA drone. It still works with my SEMA drone, but now I can put it on anything. I'll be doing a build video on this in the next few days, so if you want to watch it. So, then I put it on my racing drone, and I was able to record some footage. It was a little bit wobbly and stuff, so I hope you enjoy, so, yeah. Okay, so as you just saw, I flew it around, and the first time when I was flying it, I had no idea what I hit because I couldn't quite see with the camera, but when I watched the video back, I hit a tree, and then in the second clip, I also hit a tree, also, I just want to mention I've started 2 other channels. One's Hollis Makes It, and I build stuff. One of the projects I've built on is this. It's a drift from Fortnite Battle Royale. And the other is a gaming channel where I play games and stuff. Recently I've been playing Fortnite on it. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave both in the description. My Fortnite channel is August Arden. My building channel is Hollis Makes It. So if you want to check those out, the links are in the description. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure that you leave a like. You can comment ideas for future things I could do with this camera. I'll be doing a build video in the next few days. So that's all for this video. Bye. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.